Now, a special focus on the battle for Bihar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched a frontal attack on Nitish Kumar and Lalu Yadav for giving a red carpet welcome to Jungle Raj in the state. Calling the Grand Alliance as Mahaswartha Bandhan, PM slammed Grand Alliance leaders for failing the state in last 60 years and appealed voters to choose BJP's Vikas Raj instead of Jungle Raj. The Prime Minister said that the Nitish Lalu combined were not interested in Pani and Javani of Bihar, and that Lalu only wanted to control the Bihar government through remote control. The Prime Minister's swipes at the Bihar Chief Minister came after he dared him to a debate on the issue of development.
तीसरे वो है जिनका अहंकार उनको खुद को ले डूबा है और सबसे ज्यादा उन्होंने वो पाप किया है जिस पाप की सजा बिहार दे के रहेगा एक दलित के बेटे को। एक दलित का बेटा जो बिहार का मुख्यमंत्री बना, उसकी पीठ पे छुरा भोंका गया और उसको सत्ता से बेदखल किया गया, अपने निजी स्वार्थ के लिए किया गया। उन्होंने जंगल राज के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़े और आज बिहार में जंगल राज लाने के लिए लाल जाजिम बिठा करके दुनिया को समझाने चल पड़े हैं।
Let's get in a word now from Executive Editor Javed Ansari, who joins us from Delhi, and also my colleague Rohit Singh, tracking all the election developments in Patna. You know, Javed, what's interesting is while Narendra Modi might focus on the development plank, yet he keeps on focusing, also projecting that Mahadalit face of a Jitan Ram Manjhi. So clearly the caste card still runs strong in that state.
Well, those who believe that caste is not a factor in Bihar and Bihar elections especially need to have a relook and need to rethink, because there are strong undertones in every party across parties. Having said that, I'm not so sure if the focus is still just development as far as the NDA is concerned, because yesterday for the last couple of days they've been talking of this beef issue, and yesterday even the Prime Minister was compelled, and now he's brought in the question of slighting the Mahadalits by removing Mr. Jitan Ram Manjhi. So right. I'm not so sure if the focus remains entirely on development.
And Rohit, you know, while the Prime Minister spoke about the option between Jungle Raj and Vikas Raj, Nitish Kumar seems to have hit back with the Bihari or the Bahari options really. Is that finding resonance there amongst voters at the moment?
Well, Nitish Kumar has raised this issue of Bihari and Bahari, but today, as we can tell you, while Narendra Modi was addressing his Sasaram rally, his focus was completely on the issue of Jungle Raj, and he invoked the issue of Jungle Raj several times, and he also slammed Nitish Kumar for allying with manufacturer of Jungle Raj, that is Lalu Prasad Yadav, and he said that because of the Jungle Raj, there was the business of kidnapping, ransom that was thriving in the state during Lalu's regime, and he was saying that if that period is again repeated, if Jungle Raj is again back here, that will happen in the state. Right. There will be old days of crime graph going high, there will be kidnapping that takes place, and there will be no development that will happen in that case. No industry will come here and set up the units here. So this is what the focus was of Prime Minister today, right, slamming Nitish and Lalu on the issue of Jungle Raj.
Clearly, Rohit and Javed, you know, as they would say perhaps that there is much trading of jibes at the moment, but picture abhi baki hai. It's only going to in fact get much more stronger and high-pitched in the days to come. Many thanks for having joined us, and this is a wrap of this edition of the broadcast. We'll be back soon on the other side of the break with the latest headlines and all the updates. To stay tuned with India Today.